What's going on, guys? Charles here. Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, I haven't made any videos for about 5 months, but I'm back and I'm planning to make videos almost every day, if not like a couple of times a week. So I'm going to start off with a different subject. Now, it's something that I've talked about on this channel in the past couple of months, back then when I was making videos, and this is something that I've been paying more attention to recently in the past couple of 4 or 5 months, and I want to make a video about this, and I want to actually make this a continuous subject on this channel to talk more about it every week, and that is the stock market. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start off this whole video with something really simple and talk about a couple of stocks that I'm going to buy this week and a couple of them that I'm watching. All right, so let's get it started. So as you all know, the stimulus talks are continuing this week, and if there are any good news from that side, we can have a very good week, potentially by the end of this week and also next week as well. So with that being said, I'm going to talk about 2 stocks that I'm going to buy this week, and these 2 stocks that I believe that are going to grow over time. Now, over time, by over time I mean maybe in 2-3 weeks, all right? Because that's how I usually trade. That's my trading style. I don't do day trading, and I don't do long holds really that much. I usually do swing trades, like hold a stock for like 3-4 weeks and just sell it when there's a decent amount of profit on top of it. All right, guys. So the first stock I'm going to talk about, which is a stock that I kind of know because I work with that company, meaning that I use the company's service, and that is Cloudflare. Now, fun fact, I actually didn't know Cloudflare had a stock, and I found out about it about like 2 months ago. And something I noticed about Cloudflare was that their stock is growing continuously, and this is very interesting because with that, the Cloudflare IPO is very recent, and with that, after their IPO, they started releasing a lot of new services. I mean, that their stock is really growing. So I've been really doing well with this stock, and this is something that I recommend, because the thing is that recently their stock dropped a little bit because of the whole some news with the Fastly and anything like that. So right now at the current price, it's actually a very good time to buy. So this is something that I'm loading up right now and I'm buying it myself. Right now, the second stock that I'm going to buy this week is Lithium Americas. This is actually a lithium company. As you know, lithium is actually going to grow. Every company that produces lithium batteries or anything related to lithium really is going to grow in the next couple of years, and this is actually one of the companies that I really believe that are going to make a difference, and this is Lithium Americas. Now, their stock is, as I said, this is one of the things that I really like about this stock. It's just continuously growing if you take a look at it, and is something that I'm going to purchase very soon, and I'm going to hold it for a couple of weeks until I make good profits off of it. Now, these are 2 companies that I'm going to buy this week, the stock that I'm going to buy this week. Now, let's talk about a couple of stocks that are kind of iffy. It's something stuff that I want you to watch if you're into taking a little bit of risk or looking at this stuff. Now, the first one is Pfizer, because they're actually testing a vaccine, and this can be very interesting. The results are going to come out probably by end of this month, so it's something to look at. If you see the stock is picking up, that's something, if I see it's kind of starting to pick up, I'm going to buy, and I'm going to sell probably before the release of the results of the vaccine results, probably before that, because I don't like to play catalysts, and that's something that I don't recommend doing. It's kind of risky. So yeah, so next one is Apple. Now, Apple is just kind of out there, after we went, there has been a lot of ups and downs, and it's been getting beaten up and just all that stuff. But one of the things I want you to take a look is if it drops below 117. Now, if it drops below 117, that's really good price, and I recommend getting that. I'm watching that myself. If it drops below 117, it's a really good buy. Now, next one is Carnival. Now, this is not a buy, this is just something to watch, because right now there are a lot of interesting stuff happening. First of all, Carnival, obviously cruise industry is in kind of garbage can, but there are some hopes in the industry. Now, with that being said, Carnival right now is at a very low price. That's the thing. I've been just kind of swing trading Carnival since March, really. Beside the whole low March prices, which was like $9. The Carnival has been kind of swinging around from 14, like 13, 14 to 20. You know, the average is like usually 15, 16. And when it hits 14 or low 14 or low, like mid 13s, that's actually a very good price to get into. Now, I already actually bought a bunch of it. And you know, with stimulus stuff that is coming up, if there are any good news, this is actually going to pick up and go maybe up to $15, and this can be a very good money maker. Again, really a quick swing trade basically. So it's something to look at if you're interested in you know, trading this one. Again, these are the Pfizer, Apple, and Carnival. This is just stuff to kind of watch. You know, I kind of hold them a little bit, but it's just something to watch. Just be careful with them. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. I just wanted to make something for today and kind of talk about the stuff that I'm going to trade this week. And again, I'm going to make affiliate marketing videos as well. Another one's coming out tomorrow probably, so stay tuned for that one. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to make videos every day about a lot of different stuff, so make sure you check them out. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one.